Look at the atom in the diagram below. What would be the atomic number of this element? Well, the atomic number tells us the number of protons in the nucleus, so we can count up. We've got 3 positive protons, so the atomic number would be 3. What would be the mass number of this element? The mass number tells us the total number of protons and neutrons added together in the nucleus, and if we count those up, we've got 7. What group number would it be in the periodic table? We've got to remember that the group number tells you the number of electrons on the outer shell, so this would be 1. And what period would it be on the periodic table? The period number tells us the number of electron shells, and we can see clearly it's got 2 electron shells. I've seen this question several times on GCSE exams. Complete the table below. So first of all, let's fill in the information for protons. We've already got that protons are positive, 1 plus. The mass of a proton is 1 AMU, and it's found in the nucleus. A neutron is neutral, that means it's got no charge. And its mass is also 1 AMU, and that's also found in the nucleus. An electron is negative, so that's a 1 minus charge, and it's very, very small compared to protons and neutrons. Its mass is 0.0005 AMU, and they are found on the electron shells. This is a question that students lose marks on every year. Look at the following atom. Why is this atom neutral overall? Well, we need to say it has 2 positive protons and 2 negative electrons, which cancel each other out. Question B. What can you deduce about the reactivity of this atom? Give a reason. Well, it's very unreactive or inert. Inert is just another name for unreactive, and that's because it already has a full outer shell of electrons, so it's already stable. If you're finding the video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. So, question 4. Draw the electronic structure of a sodium atom. So we need to remember that the first shell can hold up to 2 electrons, then it's full. The second shell can hold 8, and the third shell can also hold 8 electrons. And we start at the inside and work our way out. So first of all, we're going to put 2 electrons on the first shell, and then that's full. Then we're going to start on the second shell, starting off with putting 4 electrons separately on the second shell. We then pair up with the next 4 electrons, and finally that leaves 1 more electron to add on the third shell. Question 5. Look at the information from the periodic table about boron. Describe a boron atom by referring to its subatomic particles. Describe how many particles there are and where they would be found in the atom, and that's for 6 marks. But for this question we don't need to write very much to get our 6 marks. Now when it's referring to subatomic particles, that can often confuse people. It just means protons, neutrons and electrons. So we need to say how many and where they are. So we'll start off by looking at the atomic number, and that tells us a boron atom has 5 protons and they would be found in the nucleus. That atomic number also tells us it would have 5 electrons and they would be found on electron shells, or you could call them energy levels. And to work out the number of neutrons, we do the mass number take away the atomic number, so it's got 6 neutrons and they would be found in the nucleus. So if you found this video useful, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching.